um, first do first do reading or writing, then like maths or something, then the snack break, and then English or Spanish, and then lunch, and then playing time in the eucalyptus, and like Spanish or French. Yeah, that because in the old school we needed to bring lunch of home, but now we have lunch on school. Yeah. I make new friends here a lot.
Yes? From where?
Um, from the school, because I'm in year one I can't, but then I didn't really have friends, but now slowly I began to have friends, and now I got like 5. Okay. Safe. It's really funny on school and very happy.